Hello, health warriors. Are you feeling constantly run down, stressed, and like you're always playing catch-up with your energy levels? You're not alone in this battle. But fear not, because today, we're unveiling a game changer, MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Adrenal Energy Formula. In our relentless quest to juggle life's demands, our adrenal health takes a hit, leading to exhaustion, stress, and a severe energy deficit. It's a silent crisis affecting millions, chipping away at our quality of life, our productivity, and our happiness. Imagine the toll this takes day after day. Your adrenal glands, those tiny powerhouses managing your stress response, are crying out for support. Without intervention, this cycle of stress and fatigue isn't just exhausting. It's compromising your health, your immune system, and even your mental well-being. It's a relentless tide, pulling you away from feeling your best. But here's the beacon of hope, MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Adrenal Energy Formula. This meticulously crafted supplement is your ally in revitalizing those weary adrenals, promoting a balanced stress response, and unleashing that vibrant energy trapped within you. Infused with a potent blend of adaptogenic herbs, this formula is designed not just to support your adrenal health, but to elevate your vitality, enhance your stress resilience, and restore your natural energy levels. It's more than a supplement. It's your ticket to reclaiming your zest for life, enabling you to thrive amidst the chaos. Don't let stress dictate your life's pace. It's time to turn the tables with Adrenal Energy Formula. Embark on your journey to rejuvenation and peak performance. Head to drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals and unlock your boundless energy today. Your adrenals deserve support, and your life deserves vibrancy. Take the step now, because you're meant to do more than just cope. You're meant to thrive.